Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these really cute and easy planner stickers, and it's going to be a super quick and easy method. You don't need any special software except for your Cricut, and let's just get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is designing all of my stuff just in Pages or Word if you have a Microsoft computer, and what I just did is picked a font that I bought, and then I just used one of the little symbols on Pages and just designed it how I liked. I'm also going to be doing some that are just text as well, and then we're going to be getting rid of the background in Cricut. But basically, yeah, you can play around with this software, see what you like, and then just design your stickers. And then you will see that I am just using the screenshot tool on my Apple MacBook, and then I'm just screenshotting each one individually, and you can crop it there or you can crop it on the Cricut software, but I'm just cropping it here because it's easier. And then once we are done, we're going to put them all into Cricut. So once we are done in Pages, we're going to upload to Design Space and we're going to put it onto our mat. While they're all highlighted, I recommend resizing them down a lot smaller, or you can do what I did here and resize them all individually. It doesn't really matter. And then for the offset, you're just going to want to make sure it's big enough to cover all of the little holes between each letter for your ones without a background. And then make sure you flatten it, because that is going to make it so that they stick together when you go to print and cut. And then, as you can see here on this offset, I didn't do that, so I had to go back and fix it after. And then on the Payday one, it was just too big of a gap, so I actually took it back to Pages and got rid of the gap between the two letters, or the two words, and I'll show you that now. So I'm just going to be doing another design here, same exact one, I just took out the gap, and we're going to screenshot it again. I'm going to show you the process through Cricut now, but you're going to hit upload, put the file in, remove background, and then put print then cut. That's the process, and then we're going to upload it again. And now when we do the offset, it'll be super simple and easy to do, and I'm going to set it to white obviously because I want it to be white, and then you're good to go. Just flatten and it's all good. And now I am not going to be using offset for the square ones because I left enough gap that if it under or overcuts, it'll be fine. But for the little Apple Watch symbol, I decided to put an offset. And then you're just going to want to resize everything and obviously copy and paste as many of each individual sticker as you want. And that's basically it for how to do it in Design Space. After that, you're just going to want to print and then cut. So it will lay it out for you, and then you just have to send it to your printer, and I always like to set my quality to best when I'm doing this, just to make sure that the ink comes out nicely, and you do that using the system dialog. And then once that is good to go, you just have to wait for it to print. So I just used the removable Avery sticker paper. I found this is the easiest to use and print on. I strongly recommend getting the blue mat specifically because the green one will tear the back page of your sticker paper if you don't, so I definitely recommend using the blue one for this project. And then what I'm going to be doing is setting my Cricut dial on my Cricut to custom, and that's going to give you all of these settings. And then I use sticky note. It's going to do one single layer cut, and it's going to leave the back of your sticker paper completely fine, and then you will have a sheet to work with. So here's a clip of it cutting. I cropped this quite a bit because it was super long. It took about 10 minutes to do this whole page. And yeah, so it's just going to custom cut them all out. It's going to leave them on the sheet so that you have a full sheet of paper. You don't have to like have little individual stickers, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys try this project out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already.